Hello and welcome. My name is Nicholas from the Office Superheroes channel. Today we're going to look together at how to remove blank rows from a spreadsheet easily and very quickly. This method will make your spreadsheet more organized and neat. Shall we get started? We showed you how to remove rows one by one in one of our video tutorials. You can also find the link to this video tutorial in the video description. This works best for us if we only need to remove a few rows. If we need to remove multiple empty rows from a larger table, this video tutorial will be useful for you. The first step we need to do is go to the Home tab, which we can find on the top bar. We will find the Find and Select items. We click on it. Select Go to Special. A window will pop up for us. Let's check the blanks option. Click OK. Now we have each blank row in the table highlighted. We just need to delete the rows. To do this, we go to the Home tab. We will find the Delete icon. Select Delete Sheet Rows. Great. But beware. Only use this removal if you have. All the rows are empty, so none of these rows must contain data. If the row we want to delete contains data, we could lose it. Let's take an example. Let's take a step back. We enter the number 500 in cell C11. The rest of the row is blank. Now we'll perform the steps we've already shown. As we can see, row 11 has been deleted and therefore the number we were entering has been lost. This is because Excel found several empty cells in it. So we're done. If you found this video tutorial helpful, let us know via a like or comment. Learn how to use Excel quickly and easily with our simple and quick videos. If you want to see more videos, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and we hope to see you in the next video.